Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 23. All right, I've been up for a while. It is, I think, around 9:30, and I had such a great night's sleep. I mean, I went to bed around 11, fell asleep almost instantly, and woke up at 7:30 this morning. So I am feeling amazing, and that's good because I've got lots to do today. Although I'm not married to anything today because I'm not on a deadline, because I am ready for Christmas. I'm all wrapped up. I mean, I know what I'm wearing. So I'm feeling very virtuous that I'm ready so early, basically, because I remember last year sewing on the 24th for the gifts I was making. So it is not the case this year. I'm feeling amazing. The plan today, if I've got time for it all, but again, I don't want to stress myself out, will be to make finish the Bestie Bag I was working on yesterday for my sister-in-law, make Southbank sweater dress number 2. The fabric is ready to go. I want to make some cupcakes because hubby bought, I know, how sad is that? We buy mixes, like cake mixes, and ready-made icing. I just can't be bothered. But yeah, I want to make him some cupcakes. And then if I have time, and this is going to sound bad, if I have time, I want to clean up this room. I know yesterday I said I absolutely must clean this room, but I've done some surface cleaning and I'm happy with that until I'm done with the sewing I want to get done. So maybe the deep cleaning of this room is going to happen between Christmas and New Year's at this point. Once all of the gifts are done, the Christmas decorations are gone, the Christmas wrapping stuff is gone. Yeah, then I'll have a little bit more room to, do the cleaning and stuff, because right now there's stuff everywhere. All right, so that is the goal, and my battery's dying, so I'm just going to open the advent calendar, and then, we'll see. Okay, no, that was yesterday. Today, send love far and wide. Let's see. That's cute. I like these. P.S. I love you. Which, by the way, was a great movie. If you've not seen P.S. I Love You, highly recommend. Very good. All right, I'm going to leave it here for now. I'm going to go upstairs, get some food, maybe even bake some cupcakes, and then I'll come back down and show you the progress I make on my Bestie Bag. See you in a bit. Hello. So, hopefully I've inserted footage of me making cupcakes. They are upstairs right now cooling so that I can ice them. I looked for, what are those called? Like sprinkles? Anyways, the little candy things, we don't have any. Anywho, white frosting will have to do, or icing will have to do the trick. I wanted to jump on because I just received a fabric order that I placed Thursday, Friday last week from it's basically a quilt store because they sell mostly quilting fabric and notions, and they do sell sewing machines. They're based in Ottawa, which is about an hour and a half away from here. Their service is amazing. They deliver so quickly, and they have all the good stuff, like all the designer fabrics, all the solids. Amazing shop. Their name is Mad About Patchwork, and I just love them. So I got my order today because I mentioned this, I think. I'm doing the Effervescence quilt along with Yvonne from the Quilting Jet Girl, and I was short a few fabrics, which I basically just ordered from Mad About Patchwork. And look what they put in with the parcel. Like a super cute tree ornament. Like it's wood. It's so fabulous. So yeah. And I don't think it's going to go in my tree. I think I'm going to hang this somewhere in my sewing room because it's too cute. And in every order, you get a fun sticker, usually tied to the season. And this is the sticker I got. I need to find my other ones because I stashed all my other ones somewhere. I really should be sticking them onto things. So, here is all of the fabrics I'm going to be using in my quilt. Ugh. So this is what I already had. So I've got blues, green, and lots of pinks, orange, and red. And now to add to this, I've got, look at this, yellows, more green and blue. So look at all the fabulous colors I'm going to have in this quilt. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get going on this. The cutting instructions should be coming out January 1st, maybe? Or in late December? Yeah, I think January 1st. So I'm going to make sure that I set some time aside before I go back to work on the 6th to get all of my cutting done. And then I have a project bag that Adam from Adam Sews made for me, and every year I use his project bag to store my annual quilt along. So, there we go. Just wanted to share that. I've gone back to sewing on the Bestie Bag now. I'm putting in the zipper. So far, so good. And I'll come back on to show you once it's done because I think I'm close now. See you in a bit. Hello. There we go. It's done. And I love it. So you've got the denim exterior, the rainbow zip with the pull, and then on the inside you've got the fun animal print cord with the small pocket over here and then a large pocket divided into two pockets on the other side. Very neatly finished. I mean, some of the steps I was wondering, like, why am I doing this? But I just had faith and did it the way they wanted me to do it, and oh my gosh, I just love it. I don't have the appropriate hardware for the strap, so I just tied it in a knot like they showed in the pattern. And I think my sister-in-law is going to love this. It's exactly her style. It's minimalist or very neutral on the outside, but then when you open it, you get a little pop of ooh la la type thing. So I think she's really gonna like this. The only thing I did differently, and that's because I watched, oh my goodness, I think it was Sarah Sewed, who's down in Australia, and she's done a bunch of these now as gifts. And she talked about the zipper tab here. The way they have you do it, you're basically sewing it on top of the zipper so that on the underside you've got raw edges of the zipper, which, yeah, I don't like that. So I followed her lead and encased the zipper ends in this tab. And yeah, I just find it looks a lot neater, both on the inside and the outside. But yeah, love this, love this. This was a really easy bag to make. It's not a super quick sew, but definitely not difficult. So now I'm just gonna have to find a box and wrap this in birthday paper because I can imagine that getting a birthday present so close to Christmas wrapped in Christmas paper might not be the best thing. So I need to find some birthday paper and get that wrapped up for her. I need to go to the store at some point this week too and buy a birthday card for her and actually my nephew, whose birthday is on the 2nd of January. And the whole family is getting together to celebrate his birthday on the 2nd. So my sister-in-law is going to get her present on the 2nd as well. So I need to get 2 cards, wrap that. The nephew's easy. He's 12. He's going to get money or a gift card. So yeah. So I'm super happy this is done. So now I really and truly can get cutting my Southbank sweater dress. And yeah, I'll come back and show you the fabric I'm using once it's all cut, because I think it's going to be another really fun one. So I'll be back in a bit. I haven't given you a cameo of Mr. Bear in a while. So he was being a bit of a nuisance. He's lying on my pressing station right now, so I can't press anything, but he's being super cute, so I guess I'll just have to do some pressing later. Hey, my love. Hello, and I'm back. It is early evening, I think probably around 9:30, and I am wearing my new Southbank. So it's really interesting because this is a sweatshirting, and although it didn't feel much different from the sweater knit that I used for my last one, there's a tiny bit less stretch in this one and more structure, like it's less fluid of a knit, and it really feels different on. I find it really looks different as well. The lower stretch means it's a little more form-fitting, which I don't know how I feel how I feel about that yet. I'll have to wear it a couple times to see how I feel. But I like that the neck really stands up, like it really looks like a turtleneck. And yeah, so anyways, I'll show you the dress. Again, I'm wearing like bare legs and funny slippers, so don't mind the styling. All right, hold on, there we go. There, hopefully you can see it. So it is, like I can feel it a lot tighter than my last one. And I think you can tell in the back too, that it's a lot snugger. But it's nice and comfy. I do like that. Ugh, my chair. So yeah, there you go. A second Southbank dress. And yeah, I like it. This will be, again, really nice with tights and boots, and yeah, just to be around the house or run errands or that kind of thing. It feels nice and snuggly, which is amazing. So I think, actually, I think this is all the fabric I had that would be appropriate for a Southbank sweater dress. So I think that's going to be it for the Southbank dress for a while. I have no plans to stay up very late tonight because I'm going to have a very late night tomorrow. So I am going to end the video here, edit and upload it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.